Right here at the other side of the amphitheater, doing fireworks and shit.
Maybe it's not just the ricochet between the buildings.
No, they doing it right there and right here. So it's like they trying to do a grand finale at both spots. Watch what I tell you.
It sounds like there's a whole bunch of shit going on over there.
It's the same shit. They gonna do a grand finale at the same time at both spots.
It sounds like it's going down.
You got another sick woman? You sure, man? All right, thank you, man.
Everybody head turned like.
Exactly. I just see this side is more, you know what I'm saying, different shapes.
Yeah, they just got the boom fact over here. That shit like the Uzi.
Feel me?
Shotty. This is pump shot, man. They got the Uzi.
Hell yeah.
Who?
Bang, bang. They got Chief Keef over there. I think they got Chief Keef over there. Yeah, buddy. Bang, bang.